Hello everyone, and welcome to my new YouTube channel, Wretched Rock Productions. Today we'll be doing an unboxing of a new Black Widow exhaust system from the United Kingdom. It arrived last week. We'll be installing it afterwards on this 2008 ZX14, also known as the ZZR 1400 for our European friends. This bike is new to me, about a year, and it now has 9,900 kilometers on it only. And when I received it, it was about 6,900, so I put a few thousand on last year. It appears to be black, but it's actually midnight sapphire metallic blue, or some combination of those words, but nonetheless it's a metallic blue color, beautiful. The only thing that started to bother me was these large potato launchers, rocket launchers, bazookas, whatever you want to call them. It sort of dates the bike because the bike hasn't really changed a whole lot since its first model, which came out in 2006, and they're still making them right now. So there are some slight changes. Anybody who knows the bike would pick up on those, but for the most part, I've asked people I've had many people ask me if this was new. So I think what really dates it are the exhaust pipes, and I want to lose a little weight, which I will with the exhaust change, as well as update the look of the bike by putting a new set of exhausts on it, which will make it look a little more modern. So stay with me, we'll do the unboxing of the new exhaust system, and then I'll do another video or add it to this one for the install and some sound clips and so on, so you know what the end product sounds like and looks like. So thanks for tuning in, and stay with us. So the anticipation's killing me. Let's do the unboxing of the exhausts, and I'll show you what's in the box and how they look. Put that away before I jump myself. Guess not. Okay. Once again, Black Widow exhausts.co.uk. They took about a week to get here from overseas. I think they were 363 British pounds, including their VAT tax. For me, it was about $680 Canadian to right to my door, duties, taxes, all inclusive. So for my American friends on ZX14 Facebook pages and so on, that'll be about $500 US when all is said and done. So this one is marked R, right side. Somewhere on their website they tell you what they consider the right, looking from the front of the bike or the back of the bike. We'll figure that out afterwards, just to be sure. So these are the link pipes, one per side. They're very nice. You can see many reviews where people have welding experience. Of course, you see no welds on these, but it is 304 quality stainless. So obviously there's one open, the other one right now, because they're both the same. There's one set of brackets. We'll see which application they are used for, either right up next to the exhaust or down where it joins under the bottom of the bike. It's the packaging, couple of decals, removal and installation information. They've also provided, as you see on other reviews, the exhaust assembly paste from Holtz. So we'll apply some of that to ensure that there's no leaks. It's great that they include that, so I don't have to drive a half an hour to an automotive store to purchase it. And it's a lanyard they include for whatever you want to use it for, I assume. Might clip it to my GoPro so it doesn't come off my helmet. I've got a new helmet mount ordered, and I'll do a review of that once received from Motorad's slim mount. I'm hoping that that'll protect my new GoPro 9. So, what I've really been waiting for is to have a look at these exhausts. Well, there's one of the brackets that hold the exhaust on to the bike. Need my knife again. I must say, what an awesome packaging job they do to ensure that the product arrives at your door in the same shape that it left your factory. Just awesome. So they come in these black bags for extra protection. You can see on the top that they already have the clamp installed or put where it's supposed to be, so that's obviously the others are for underneath the bike. We'll remove this clamp here, get the can out of the bag so we can have a look at what we're dealing with here. That thing's beautiful. Awesome. Really nice welds all around there, has been stated many times in other reviews of these this brand of pipe. This is the 36R, like I mentioned, CG, so carbon. It's their GP series, so that you can get them in black painted carbon like this one, or all stainless steel. I preferred to go with this particular one because I think the 230s would be way too loud for me. They do come with a baffle, removable baffle, so we'll try with the baffle in and the baffle out. I did like the carbon option because the black is going to scratch up fairly easy, and I didn't want that to happen prematurely, if you will. There is another option. I believe it's a 350 in length. But that one is 84 millimeters across or in diameter, as opposed to these are 100 millimeters. So a little bigger on the round, which is what I thought would aesthetically look better on this bike in particular. But many reviews out there, I've looked all over for this particular pipe. There is one guy who put it on a green ZX14, and he gave it a few revs and shut it off, and there was no more videos after that. So there's really nothing out there on the ZX14 with this particular pipe on it. So I'm really looking forward to putting them on there and sharing what it sounds like for everybody. in the event that you might want to go with this particular one, you'll know how it sounds and whether I'm happy with the level of noise that it emits. So that's awesome. They feel like they got a bit of weight, nowhere near the OEMs, but it does feel quality, if you will. Really nice. Awesome. So of course there's one more exhaust for the other side in the box. Black Widow, excellent shipping to my door in a week from overseas. Answered my questions promptly. The exhaust was shipped that day, I believe. When I ordered it early morning here in Canada, I had notification that it was shipped by like 2 o'clock my time. So it did have to go to the United States to UPS shipping center, then come back across the United States and Canada to get to me. So travel an extra 3,000 kilometers, I think. Nonetheless, there it is. I'm really pumped. I can't wait to get it on, so stick around and we'll do that.